Hi, readers and writers. Welcome to another Common Word Study. Today we are going to do another number. We just did one yesterday. If you will remember, I did quad yesterday. Today we're going to do oct. Oct. O-C-T. Oct. The meaning of oct is eight. Eight of something. The word part is a prefix. You will see it most often at the beginning of an existing word. And the origin, just like quad, is from Greek and Latin. It is actually the Greek and Latin word for eight. Some examples of words that contain the word oct, word part oct, would be the first one, octagon. An octagon is an eight-sided figure. Most often the one you recognize would probably be a stop sign, but the shape itself is an eight-sided figure, therefore it's called an octagon. The second word that I have for you for practice is octopus. Octopus, here you go, here's a nice looking octopus. An octopus is a sea creature that has 8 long tentacles, therefore it's called an octopus. And just on a side note, I think octopuses are the strangest animals ever. They're just so odd with their long tentacles and their just mushy head, and they're just very interesting to me. When I look at them, I can't quite figure them out, but that's just a random side note. Anyway, the third word is octave. Octave. Here's an example of an octave on a piano. An octave is a series of 8 of something, kind of an 8-note span or an 8 amount span between one group of 8 and another. It's called an octave. And here you can see the lower C starts, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 notes to the next C up. That's called an octave. And then when you play piano or different instruments, you do have to pay attention to what that's called because we do use them a lot. And the fourth and final word is octuplets. Octuplets. Octuplets are 8 babies that are born at once from the same mother. That's kind of crazy, isn't it? There aren't very many of them in the world, as you can imagine, because that's a real rarity. But a long time ago, there was a woman, I would say maybe about 10 years ago, that had 8 babies at once, and they all lived. And this is, I think, a family photo of them when I think they were 1 or 2, I don't remember. So as you can imagine, that's a real rarity to have that many babies born at the same time from the same mother. But it happens sometimes, and when it does happen, those babies are referred to as octuplets. Okay, so there you go. Another wonderful word study we had today. We explored the word part oct, the prefix oct. When you see oct on the front of an existing word, the word has something to do with the concept of 8 of something. So use your detective sleuth ability and figure out what does that word mean and what's the connection to the number 8. Okay, have a great day, readers. Bye.